student loans will be a snap. Here's how. Student loans are helpful, but if you don't know what to look for, they can turn into a nightmare. Becoming knowledgeable in regards to student loans is crucial before signing on those lines. Read on to learn more about student loans. Think carefully when choosing your repayment terms. Most public loans might automatically assume a decade of repayments, but you might have an option of going longer. Refinancing over longer periods of time can mean lower monthly payments but a larger total spent over time due to interest. Weigh your monthly cash flow against your long-term financial picture. It is acceptable to miss a loan payment if serious extenuating circumstances have occurred, like loss of a job. Typically, most lenders will allow you to postpone your payments if you can prove you are having hardships. Just be aware that doing so may cause interest rates to rise. If you're having trouble arranging financing for college, look into possible military options and benefits. Even doing a few weekends a month in the National Guard can mean a lot of potential financing for college education. The possible benefits of a full tour of duty as a full-time military person are even greater. Pick out a payment option that you know can meet the needs you have. Most student loan companies allow the borrower 10 years to pay them back. If that isn't feasible, there could be alternatives. For instance, you might have an option of paying over more years at the trade-off of higher interest. Consider how much money you will be making at your new job and go from there. Your principal will shrink faster if you are paying the highest interest rate loans first. The smaller your principal, the smaller the amount of interest that you have to pay. It is a good idea to pay down the biggest loans first. After you have paid off your largest loan, continue making those same payments on the next loan in line. Increase your credit hours if possible. Full-time is considered 9 to 12 hours per semester. Take a few more to finish school sooner. This lets you minimize the loan amounts you have to accrue. To reduce the amount of your student loans, work as many hours as you can during your last year of high school and the summer before college. The more money you have to give the college in cash, the less you have to finance. This means less loan expense later on. As you've read, there is much to think about when dealing with student loans. These decisions can follow you years after you've graduated. Smart borrowing is the way to go, and the tips in the above article should be remembered when you go to apply for a student loan.